Schneider Electric's factory in Leeds has been producing low and medium voltage equipment for over 20 years after opening in 1998, with over 550 employed today. The factory recently underwent a dramatic transformation and is now regarded as a smart factory, which showcases the future of digital manufacturing and incorporates extensive digital capabilities, leveraging its EcoStruxure software architecture. It is also complemented by a new state-of-the-art innovation hub. But what is a smart factory? Smart Factory is an internal program covering all the processes of the site. By utilising the power of EcoStruxure ecosystem, the factory collects data from sensors and machines or operators on the production line, allowing them to raise issues, access information and declare output of the lines. We are ahead in meeting our goals of becoming carbon neutral thanks to digital transformation and EcoStruxure application. We are monitoring our energy consumptions, taking data directly from the sensors, acting in real time on the factory by heating or cooling the areas and analysing the trends of our energy consumption. The Comax machine integrates our CAD process with manufacturing. Approved electrical drawings are exported to the machine, thus saving time, decreasing wastage and increasing quality. Our lean digitisation system, part of the Aviva offer, allows us to do many things as well. Via the e-quality module, the operators scan and answer the quality checklist, reducing any defects at the source by adding interlocks on the operations. The collected data is monitored and discussed daily in our management meetings on EcoStruxure Plant Advisor, so we can constantly keep improving.
When you run a plant and a business, what you want to achieve is actually pretty straightforward. You want first your people safe. You want to deliver premium quality, cutting-edge product to your customer, and you want to do it with the required delivery time. All of that needs to be done with the maximum efficiency possible, and this is what the digital transformation we run here is enabling.
This new factory has resulted in a 10% increase in manufacturing output, 15% reduction in energy consumption, and has improved efficiencies and customer service results. Every day we put into practice our values and act as owners. We leverage Schneider Electric EcoStruxure in our own facilities, and we want to share this technology with others to help benefit everyone.